Welcome to the Homestead and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Renee. I made a roast the other night and I'm going to turn it into some soup. I made a roast the other night and I'm going to turn it into some soup. So it's a great way to repurpose leftovers and make it taste like something new. Follow along. Let's get cooking. Here we have leftover potatoes, carrots, and roast beef. So I'm just going to chop that up and I'm going to get it put in the crock pot. I'm just cutting the potatoes into smaller pieces. And I'll do the same thing with the meat. Okay, so I chopped up the beef and the potatoes. I canned some tomatoes today and it did not, well, this was a little bit left over, wasn't enough for a full jar. So I'm just going to dump that into my stew. And this jar did not seal, so I'm going to dump that into the stew. I used the stock last night for the gravy from this chicken, from canned chicken, so I'm going to go ahead and add that in there just to get that jar out of my fridge. So this is a must-go meal, or everything in the fridge must go. Thank you to my brother and sister-in-law for that verbiage. And there's more of the stew stuff. I'm going to rinse out that container so we don't lose any of that delicious roast flavor. Last night I made mushroom gravy, so I'm going to go ahead and heat that up in the microwave to loosen it up, and I'm going to get that mixed in with the stew meat. I'm going to get that mixed in with the roast. All right, and here is the leftover cream of mushroom gravy. We have a little bit of leftover mashed potatoes, so that is going to go in there too. All right, and I'm going to add a can of green beans. And this stuff just grows and grows the more stuff that you add to it. So I'll be able to freeze some, which is going to be delicious. Here's a bag of peas and carrots. Just missing some corn. All right, and I found a can of corn. We are good. We're going to get that stirred in, and then we're going to give it a taste. Make sure we're going to give it a taste and make sure our seasonings are good. Tastes delicious. Time for the taste test on the leftovers. And we turned it into a beef stew. It's delicious. I know it tastes good. Mm-hmm. Delicious. Thank you for watching, and thank you for spending your time with me. Have a good night. God bless. Until the next one.